Welcome to the Explainer. If you live up in Evergreen, Conifer, or really anywhere in the stunning Colorado mountain foothills, you already know that living at elevation is absolutely amazing. But what you might not realize is that the very environment giving you those million-dollar views is kind of quietly waging war on your home. Today, we're uncovering the hidden science of why mountain windows fail so much faster than standard ones, and we're going to look at exactly how local experts like 5280 Exteriors solve this invisible problem.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap for today. We're covering the signs of window failure, the physics of altitude, choosing the right frame, high-altitude glass packages, surviving wildfire zones, and smart mountain replacement strategies. Let's dive in.
Section 1. Signs of window failure.
So, to kick things off, let's ask a pretty provocative question. Why do mountain windows die young? If you go out and buy a standard off-the-shelf window from a big box store, one that's designed for sea level or metro climates, it simply cannot survive the extreme environment of the Colorado foothills. Up here, it's really not a matter of if it will fail, but when.
And here's what that failure actually looks like on a daily basis. You might start noticing fogging between your glass panes, which is a dead giveaway your insulated glass unit has failed. Or maybe you're feeling cold drafts along the frame in winter. Worse yet, you might literally have ice forming on the interior glass surface, with condensation just pooling on your sills. You might even see older wood frames rotting from all that moisture and snow contact. So the crucial takeaway here is that these aren't just quirky features of an old house. These are the visible symptoms of a losing battle against atmospheric physics. Which brings us nicely to Section 2, the physics of altitude. Take a look at this number, 1,100. Most windows are manufactured down near sea level, right? The atmospheric pressure there is about 14.7 psi. But when you haul that tightly sealed window up the mountain, the outside air pressure drops. So the trapped sea level air inside the window naturally wants to expand. This creates over 1,100 pounds of outward force on a standard 2x4-foot glass unit. To put that in perspective, that's literally like having a full-grown grizzly bear constantly leaning against the inside of your living room window.
This immense, constant pressure creates what the industry calls the pillow effect. Up at 8,000 feet, where the atmospheric pressure drops by about 25%, standard insulated glass units literally balloon outward. This extreme bowing permanently stretches and ruptures the seals. In some extreme cases, it can even cause the glass to spontaneously shatter. No joke. But hey, pressure isn't the only enemy here. If you live up here, you know we regularly see extreme 60-degree daily temperature swings. It is like taking a window out of a hot oven and throwing it straight into a deep freezer, day after day. That incredible temperature delta between the inside and outside in winter drives massive condensation between the panes. Add in over 100 freeze-thaw cycles every single winter, and you can see how this constant expansion and contraction is just absolutely exhausting for standard building materials. And finally, we absolutely have to talk about UV radiation. Because the atmosphere is so much thinner up there, UV radiation increases by 10 to 12% for every 3,280 feet you go up. And this brilliantly illustrates what that means for your home. Sitting at 8,000 feet, your windows are being bombarded with roughly 30% more destructive UV radiation than they would be at sea level. This literally bakes the materials, breaks down glazing coatings, and completely ruins standard frames.
Section 3. Choosing the right frame.
Knowing exactly what we're up against, let's compare the most common frame options. Now, vinyl frames might be super budget-friendly down in the Denver metro, but at altitude, they really suffer. Vinyl has a very high rate of thermal expansion. It moves a lot when temps swing those 60 degrees. Combine that with intense UV exposure and vinyl warps, it chalks, it gets brittle, and you're looking at seal failures within 10 to 15 years. On the flip side, pultruded fiberglass like the Pella Impervia line handles these extreme mountain climates beautifully. It stays dimensionally stable and fights off UV degradation for decades. And here is the secret weapon of fiberglass. Because it's essentially made of glass fibers, it expands and contracts at almost the exact same rate as the window glass itself. So when the temperature drops below zero or spikes in the afternoon sun, the frame and the glass are moving together. This eliminates the shear stress that typically destroys seals, making sure your windows stay airtight and watertight for the long haul.
Moving right along to Section 4, high-altitude glass packages.
So, we've nailed down the right frame, but what about the glass itself? Now, what's really interesting about this is that these insulated glass units can't just be tossed on a truck and driven up I-70.
Nope. Mountain windows require highly unique factory preparation just to survive the journey up the mountain without blowing their seals before they even reach your driveway.
The solution is this brilliant little piece of engineering, a capillary tube, sometimes called a breather tube. It's a tiny opening built right into the edge of the glass unit. As the delivery truck drives up the mountain, this tube allows the internal pressure of the glass to perfectly equalize with the thin mountain air. Once the window is fully acclimated to your home's exact elevation, the installer permanently seals the tube. Boom, the pillow effect is completely neutralized.
Beyond the pressure issue, we still have to handle the intense mountain sun and those freezing nights. Standard double-pane glass, it just lets way too much heat escape and way too much UV in. For mountain homes, it is incredibly worth the upgrade to triple-pane setups with low E3 coatings. This combo acts like an impenetrable thermal barrier, blocking up to 95% of harmful UV rays while keeping your expensive heat trapped inside during those harsh winter nights.
Section 5. Surviving wildfire zones. Let's shift gears and look at how this builds into safety, addressing a critical reality and a very strict code requirement for the Colorado foothills, the Wildland Urban Interface, or WUI, fire codes. If your home sits in a Class 2 intermix zone, meaning you are nestled right in the wildland vegetation, standard annealed window glass is a massive liability. Under extreme radiant heat from a wildfire, standard glass will literally shatter in just 1 to 3 minutes, letting embers straight into your living room. That is exactly why tempered or dual-pane fire-rated glass, which naturally resists thermal shock, is now a strict requirement for these replacement projects. But remember, windows don't exist in a vacuum. Actually, your windows are almost always the weakest link in your home's defense. They have to work together with non-combustible or ignition-resistant frames and siding as one integrated fire-resistant exterior envelope. I mean, think about it. If you install a state-of-the-art fire-rated window into highly combustible old wood siding, well, you haven't really solved the problem, have you? Section 6. Smart Mountain Replacement Strategies.
Okay, we've covered a lot of science, so let's apply it directly to your home. First, let's avoid the common, really costly mistakes. Please, do not buy big box windows designed for the Denver metro. They are going to fail at altitude. Don't shop purely on price while ignoring critical thermal ratings like the U factor. And this is a big one. Older mountain homes have incredibly rough, unique openings. If your contractor skips custom adjustments or cuts corners on the exterior trim and flashing details, you are practically guaranteed to experience massive water infiltration the second that mountain snow starts melting.
And this is exactly where true local expertise comes in. 5280 Exteriors approaches your home with a complete whole envelope philosophy. They aren't just out there to swap a piece of glass. They integrate Pella Impervia fiberglass windows with ignition-resistant James Hardie siding and top it all off with meticulous trim work. Everything works together as one seamless, weather-tight, fire-resistant, mountain-rated system. They actually understand the complex building science of the foothills. So, if you're taking notes, here is your definitive mountain buyer's checklist. When you're ready to pull the trigger on a replacement, make absolutely sure your quote includes capillary tubes to neutralize that pillow effect, protruded fiberglass frames that won't warp or chalk on you, triple-pane glass or high-performance low E3 coatings to fight off the UV and temp swings, and of course, tempered glass to keep you totally compliant with WI fire codes and, most importantly, keep your family safe. As we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with a question to chew on. Is your home's exterior envelope truly engineered to survive the extreme physics of altitude? Because if you're seeing fog between your panes, feeling winter drafts, or worrying about wildfire codes, it's probably time to stop fighting the mountain. Rethink your exterior as a complete system and reach out to a local expert like 5280 Exteriors who actually understands the science of high-altitude living. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.